Today I'm taking a look at the car sunshade umbrella. So this is one of my favorite things about this type of sunshade is the fact that you can just wrap this thing up into a nice tight package. And it's not going to be one of those big ovals that you got to like twist around. It's going to be something simple where all you have to do is extend it. That easily expands and collapses. They put this bright red grip on here so you can't miss it. And you can't see it kind of pulls down and pushes out, so that is going to be what actuates this. Now I also really like saying that on the inside this is black and on the outside this is silver. So this is going to do a lot to reflect the light so that you're not absorbing heat into the vehicle. You're going to be taking all the light that's coming at it and pushing it back away. Being black means it's going to absorb light. So what that means is instead of it taking light that's coming into the car and then bouncing it back onto the interior, this is going to be absorbing the light. So this is the correct way to make a sunshade. I do like seeing that these arms have quite a bit of flexibility. So even if you're in a hurry and you just kind of mash this thing into your windshield, not really gonna have to worry about it. Even the ends, I think they got like a spring in there. So the tip is super flexible. This part is pretty cool. So this is the same strap that we use to wrap the whole thing up at the end, but this strap can also be used as Velcro to go around your mirror. So that way you can make sure you're blocking out all the light. The handle on here is also flexible, so that way if you're gonna be putting this in a car that has a weird style dash, you're not gonna have to worry about that. You can just push that right out of the way. So here we are with the sunshade installed, and we can see on here that we are looking at most of the heat being absorbed by that umbrella. If you look at the top lift, the maximum heat is 85, the bottom heat is 66. So the dash is mostly in the 60 to 70 range. So the sunshade is doing its job. It's taking up all that heat. So now I'm going to take the sunshade out, and we will see what kind of a difference that makes. All right, it has been an hour, and it is noticeably hotter in this car. And if we're looking at this guy, we can see we are now at 150 degrees on the hot spots. That is a huge difference. If you ever seen those dashes that dry up and crack out, that is the reason why. It's because of all that heat that is hitting that interior. And it's just making it a heck of a lot hotter in here. So for me, sunshades are a must-have, and this is a very nice one at that.